In this short tutorial, I will show you how to deactivate your X account in just a few simple steps. Deactivating your account means that it will be hidden from public view, and you won't receive any notifications or updates from X or Twitter. To get started, open up the X or the Twitter app, and then make sure you are logged into the account that you want to deactivate. After that, tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Support. Scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the settings page, tap where it says Your Account. Now you'll see the Deactivate Your Account option. Just tap on it. Now it will show you all of these texts. You're about to start the process of deactivating your account. Your display name, username, and public profile will no longer be viewable on x.com, X for iOS, or X for Android. Also, if you have any active paid subscriptions, they will be cancelled. To deactivate your X account, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap where it says Deactivate. And then enter your password to confirm and complete the account deactivation request. It's important to note that when you deactivate your account, you have 30 days to reactivate it if you change your mind. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.